Moi kaikki! Today we will be learning the word paitsi. 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 And we'll also go over some example sentences also from the news, so stay tuned. Paitsi. Paitsi. Paitsi in English would translate to except, an exception, excluding something. So first you're stating the common thing, and then after that you state the exception or restriction after using the word paitsi. So paitsi means except. For example, tykkään kaikesta paitsi tosta. If there is a buffet of food and you like everything except one of the food items, you could say tykkään kaikesta paitsi tosta. Except that. Paitsi tosta. Tykkään kaikesta paitsi tosta. Paitsi, except. Everything except that. Paitsi tosta. Kaikki katsovat jääkiekkoa. Paitsi minä. Unrealistic, but it's an example. Kaikki, everybody, katsovat jääkiekkoa. Paitsi minä. Everyone is watching ice hockey except paitsi minä. Paitsi minä. Kaikki katsovat jääkiekkoa paitsi minä. Voit mennä jokaiseen huoneeseen paitsi keittiöön. So when you hear the word paitsi, whatever comes after paitsi will be the exception or restriction. So in this situation, you can go to all the rooms, jokaiseen huoneeseen, every single room, jokaiseen huoneeseen, paitsi, except keittiöön, the kitchen. Voit mennä jokaiseen huoneeseen, paitsi keittiöön, except the kitchen, paitsi. We have this headline that says, Stub 1 kaikilla haukiputaan äänestysalueilla paitsi Martinniemessä. So this would mean Stub, referring to Alexander Stubb, the new upcoming president of Finland. 1, number 1, kaikilla, in all, haukiputaan, that's an area in Finland, so haukiputaan in haukiputaas, äänestysalueilla, so that is, äänestys is voting, to vote. Alue is an area, so in all of haukiputaas voting districts or voting areas, paitsi, except, Martinniemessä, in Martinniemi. So Stub 1 kaikilla haukiputaan äänestysalueilla paitsi, except Martinniemessä, except in Martinniemi. Another recent headline. MM-uimari Kokko pettyi kaikkeen paitsi valmentajaansa. So MM-uimari means world champion swimmer, uimari, swimmer, as you can see from the picture. MM-uimari Kokko. Kokko is this guy's last name. Olli Kokko. Kokko is the last name. Pettyi is the past tense of pettyä, to be disappointed. Kaikkeen, in everything, paitsi, except valmentajansa, his coach. So this world championship swimmer Kokko was disappointed in everything, paitsi his coach. MM-uimari Kokko pettyi kaikkeen, paitsi valmentajansa. Okay, are you getting the hang of the use of paitsi? I have one more headline as an example. Just a note here, Windows 95 Man is an artist in Finland who will be representing Finland in the Eurovision Song Contest. No Rules is the song that they will perform at the Eurovision. So Windows 95 Manin No Rules esityksestä ei puutu mitään paitsi housut. Okay, so Windows 95 Manin, Windows 95 Man's apostrophe S, no rules esityksestä. From Windows 95 Man's performance No Rules, ei puutu mitään is a phrase meaning nothing is missing. There's nothing missing from his performance. Paitsi, except housut, pants. So his performance is not missing anything except for pants. Paitsi housut. So that is what the word paitsi means and how to use it in a sentence. Now, if you're a beginner, I would recommend to stop here. If you're more advanced in Finnish, you can listen along to the next bit. Basically, there are a few other situations the word paitsi can be used in where it means something slightly different. Those uses aren't as common, so I feel like it's more important to know paitsi meaning except something. That's the most important takeaway note of this video. But if you want to, you can continue listening to hear 2 other ways to use paitsi. Paitsi could sometimes also translate to not only. For example, hän on paitsi viisas, myös komea. So this is when there are 2 things and you're saying not only this, but also this. So, hän on paitsi viisas, myös komea. He is not only smart, but also handsome. So that is one extra use. And another extra use is paitsi, translating to without. So, monet jäivät lahjoista paitsi, if it usually would end the sentence, many were left without presents. Paitsi, without. Those are just good to know in case you are diving into the Finnish language more and reading more complex texts. These might come up, but in general, paitsi is used to say except something. Seuraava video muuten tulee lauantaina ja se on yhteistyössä Daikin kanssa. Eli tulkaa takaisin mun kanavalle lauantaina kello oliks se 6 ja nähdään silloin. Moikka!